Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So now we will be talking about reflections of f of x to be 1 by x reciprocal function. So we are given with the reciprocal function, and we will see how the graph of reflected version of this looks like. So we know that if f of x is a function, then y equal to f of minus f of x is the reflection about x-axis. So 1 by x, this is reflection about x-axis, and the function y equal to f of minus x, which is 1 upon minus x, which is again minus 1 upon x, is reflection about y-axis. So from here you can realize that the x-axis reflection or y-axis reflection for 1 by x remains the same. So if you know the reflection along x-axis or y-axis, so it's fine. You will at least plot this 1 by x, this one. Maybe we can see some versions in the next videos, but for the moment, if you are going to plot this function, which is y equal to minus 1 over x, then you just need to reflect your reciprocal function about x-axis or y-axis. In both cases you will get your desired result. So you know that the reciprocal function looks like this, parent. So that's the parent function. When I will reflect this part, let's say we are going to reflect it along y-axis. So when I will reflect this part of this first quadrant, I'll get this. I'll get sorry, so I need to use this blue instead. I will get this. So you can consider this part to be the reflection of this one, and when you will reflect this along y-axis, you will get this part. So that's how it will be. I know this has gone bad, so we can see it on Desmos. Or let me plot it again. What is going to be the sketch of 1 by x? So it will look like this for in the second quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant this way. This is the graph of g of x equal to minus 1 over x, which is reflection of the parent function about x-axis or y-axis. In the both cases you will get this. We can see it on Desmos. Here it is y equal to 1 by x. This is the parent function, and g of x equal to minus 1 by x. This is the reflected about x-axis or y-axis, you can say both the things. Let's now talk about how to plot this g of x equal to minus 1 over x plus 2, let's say minus 5. And you can also be asked how to plot this h of x equal to 1 upon minus x minus 1 plus 3. For this type of question, what you can do is you can take the minus common, and you will get 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3. So if you have such kind of question, you can also treat this kind of question like this. So we will be doing only this, and you will get the idea. So if there is x in the minus in the denominator, then take it common, and then make it into this form, and then you can plot that. So if we had f of x equal to minus 1 upon x plus 2 and minus 5. So first of all, we will be creating x-axis and y-axis. That's my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay, sorry, this is y, this is x. Okay, so this is, first of all, this is the parent function here. So this is reciprocal parent function. First of all, you will reflect it. So this is the reflected part. You can reflect it along x or y, it won't make any difference. So you will reflect it first, and then you will move 2 units to the left, so, or left, so 1 2, so this portion will be coming here, and so this is 1, this is 2, this is -2, and this part right over here will be moving 2 units to this 1 2 here, and then 5 units down. So this was the point. 5 units down means 1 2 3 4 5. 5 units down means this will be like this, and this, and this part, this point over here will be also moving 5 units down, 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be like this. So this is the graph. We can see it on Desmos. In simple words, what you need to do, first you consider 1 by x, then you reflect it, -1 over x, then you shift this graph 2 units to the left, and then you shift 5 units down. We can see this in Desmos. There, first of all, this f of x equal to 1 by x, then -1 by x. Then you have reflected. So once you have reflected, remove this, and now you will shift this graph 2 units to the left. So we are shifted towards left 2 units, and then 5 units up. There it is. Sorry, 5 units down. So there it is. This was the graph that we have recently kind of sketched. I know that that will kind of give you a lot of information about the reciprocal function.